Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Let us take one number line here, right? And in the middle we'll take 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6, right? This is 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. And this is minus 1. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. This is minus 4. This is minus 5. And this is minus 6. Now, represent the following numbers on a number line. This is a number line. We will represent plus 5. Here you see, from 0 it is plus, and on the right side, and on the left side it is minus. The plus 5 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is plus 5. Therefore, the representation of this plus 5 will be this number. This is the representation of plus 5. Now, question number B. Minus 10. Suppose we have taken here 0. Taken here 0. It is 1, 2 and going on. 1, 2. And it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, right? I will write minus 1, minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, this is minus 5, this is minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. This is the number line, right? Now, we will represent this number line. Question number C is plus 8. Before that, I will do question number B. Question number B is question number B. Question number B is minus 10. Let us take here as 0. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. Right? This is 1. This is 2. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 10, minus 11, right? It is minus 1. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. This is minus 4. This is minus 5. This is minus 6. This is minus 7. Minus 8. Minus 9. Minus 10. And this is minus 11, right? Now question B is, you have to represent the numbers minus 10, right? Here you see this is 0 and the right side is plus 1, 2 and the left side is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. When this representation minus 10, right? I mean, this is the value. They represent the minus 10, right? And this is the value minus 10. Now question number C is plus 8. Now you have to see plus 8. Plus 8. We'll rub this one. Question number. We rub the numbers. Now we will question number C. We have to represent plus 8. Therefore, we have taken in the middle. It is 0. It is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, and plus 9. And it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. Now you see that is plus 8 you have to represent. That means here it is 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. This is the plus 8, right? That means you have to represent this number. This is plus 8, right? Now question number D. Question number D, we have taken here as 0. Here you take 1, 2, 3, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here it is 1, 2, 3, and it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, right? Now you see question number D is minus 1. That means here is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That is, if we represent minus 1, that means this number is minus 1. Represent this as minus 1, right? Now question number E. Question number E, here you see you have to represent minus 6. You represent minus 6. We have taken it as a 0. I have taken it as 0, right? This is 0, 0, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, right? This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, this is minus 6, and this is minus 7. Now you have to represent minus 6 on the number line, minus 6. Therefore here you see this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This represents minus 6. This number represents minus 6, right? Once again we are repeating, that is represent the following numbers on a number line. We have made a number line. It is plus 5. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the representation of plus 5. Question number B, that is minus 10. That is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. This is the representation of minus 10 on the number line. C is plus 8. That is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we represent plus 8, then this is the representation of plus 8. Question number D, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and you have to represent minus 1. You see this is the minus representation of minus 1. And question number E, that is minus 6. You have to represent minus 6. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. And this is the representation of minus 6 on the number line. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell such that you will get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.